Welcome to Archon. Welcome to Ashram for Guru Raghavendra Consciousness, an ashram founded and started by His Holiness Swami Kamananatha Prasada, the founder trustee of Archon. Swami Kamananatha Prasada was given Sannyasa Diksha on the 23rd of June in 2018. And since then, following the divine inspiration and his journey which began in the Sannyasa Dharma, he has been striving to bring about a change in society as per the advice of Guru Raghavendra Swami, his Paramaguru. The basic tenet there has been to establish the ashram where the Guru Shishya Parampara will run, where people will be able to come and spend time in terms of learning, terms of thinking aloud, discussing, as well as having a retreat. Very few of the institutions are there in the Sanatana Dharma in today's world where people can come and spend some time in a retreat mode. Such an institution is where Archon is going to have their ashram. This ashram is located on the banks of river Kaveri in the Kanakpura district. Here, amidst myriad green forests, resplendent with flora and fauna, where deer come grazing by, elephants amble past, and you can hear in the distance the call of the bear or the fox, and even the barking of some of the deer. The birds also lend their music to an otherwise serene and calm environment. Such a place rests Archon, Ashram for Guru Raghavendra Consciousness. The ashram is slated to come up in the coming year, and for this, funds are required desperately. These funds will go towards construction of the ashram, wherein rooms will be available for people to come in and stay. Donors or patrons can choose to contribute as a patronizing act or as a donation to the ashram by ensuring an amount of a certain nomenclature comes towards the ashram in terms of a room being built or a particular area being constructed. For details on this, kindly do feel free to call in and get in touch with us at Archon on our numbers given on the screen below. Those of you who wish to follow and become followers of Archon, you're most welcome to come forward and enroll with us as followers of ashram, as followers of Archon. This is something which is unique. This is something which has not been there before. What is unique? What is it that has not been there before? Such an ashram has never ever come up before. Many of the ashrams that you look around today in today's world are offering you some kind of stereotype programs in terms of quick fixes for the as a solution for the mind, body and soul. However, at Archon, we begin early in a person's life. It's not that we don't take people later on. We do. Everyone is welcome. There is no gender bias, and certainly there is no bias about caste. All are welcome. The only thing is the qualifying criteria there is that you need to be a vegetarian totally, and you need to follow the Sanatana Dharma strictly. The dress code is applicable, yes, there is a dress code. Along with it, you should be willing to undergo and bring upon yourself a change in your own self. If you are ready with that part of your journey, come to Archon. We will make it happen for you. We'll enable you to be a better person. We don't have quick fixes with us. We are not offering programs just for the sake of churning out a factory-like product. Certainly not. What we are offering is a panacea. In fact, to use a word and to say that a panacea is available is probably to be a little strong. But certainly when you undergo your years that you spend and you choose to spend at Archon, you would certainly be a better person. You would say, yes, you have benefited in some way and you have found the panacea for some of your problems that you came up with or wanted to seek yourself being enrolled in Archon or with Archon. So, what is it that we are looking at? We are not looking at anything in particular. All that we're looking at is that we wish you to benefit, regardless of what your stature is, regardless of what your condition is, regardless of what your calling is. Come to us. We welcome you. We welcome you with open arms. Come in the name of Krishna. Come in the name of Guru Rayaru. Come in the name of the Guru Shishya Parampara being followed. And come with the humility in yourself that it's never too late or it's never too early to learn and be a better person. With these words, let me take you further into where this ashram is located. If you look at the ashram itself, as you can see on the screen, let me take you further into where this ashram is located. As we mentioned earlier, amongst green forests, in the thick of jungles and hills around, where the river Kaveri, also known as Dakshin Ganga, flows quietly by, on the banks of Dakshin Ganga or river Kaveri, lies the land where Arcon Ashram is coming up. At such a place, in such a location, you can hardly ever find such a natural retreat. In fact, it is said in the Vedas, especially in the Rig Veda, that for an ashram to come up, for a place of learning like such to come up, it should be so nestled on the banks of a river, surrounded by hills on all sides, wherein the valley promotes an environment for learning undisturbed and unbothered. So, at such a place is the ashram. Food is something which has been taken care of. That is energy for the body, for the soul to go forward. Along with this, we also offer people programs. Let me give you a simple hint. Young children who come to us, or even adults who come to us, or even elders who come to us, regardless of gender, the first thing you would need to embark yourself on is correct breathing. Once you have mastered correct breathing, trust yourself that you will find yourself free of majority, if not all the ailments that you carry with you, or all the hidden diseases that are lurking around. So, with such a program to kickstart your journey, followed by what you choose to take up, Arcon is there for you. Arcon has been a divine inspiration from his Paramaguru, Sri Guru Raghavendra Swami, where he sits in his Vrindavan at Mantralayam. And in this year, that is 2021, which is the 350th year of his being in the Vrindavan, it is the year, in fact, which Guru Raghavendra Swami is believed to be moving on to another phase of his spiritual journey. In such a year, we have embarked upon bringing forth this ashram and welcoming people. We are confident you will come forward and put your best foot forward. Lend us your hand in a generous way to help us construct this ashram and bring it into seeing the light of the day for the years to come by. It's not that there are going to be no pujas. It's not that there are going to be no ceremonies. There is provision for all this. However, it must be said that puja is not the mainstay of the ashram, but sharing, learning, imbibing, developing is going to be the mainstay of the ashram. And from here, begin your journey as we have begun our journey. With these few words, it is going to be a pleasure indeed for me to welcome each and every one of you here, as you would like to come out and step forward and contribute your might, your best, towards Arcon seeing the light of the day. Om Shri Guru Bhyo Namah, Om Shri Krishnaya Namah, Om Shri Raghavendraya Namah, Narayana.